I want the gripper to open. So go here, open the gripper. Problem is I can't hit open every time, right? So we're going to have to program the gripper to actually do what we want. So to do that, I'm going to go to structure. So I hit the structure button. Then I go to UR caps and then gripper. So you see how it popped up, the gripper moved right here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it back up. And I'm going to go to command. And that gives me all the stuff I need here. I got position, speed, force. I'm going to hit edit action. And I want it to open. So open, save action. So the reason why I want it to open is it's like a reset. So it's going to be open. Then I'm going to go to start point. So that means that he'll start at that location. And then between start point and above start, I want there to be another gripper. I'm going to go here, gripper here, and then that's going to be a close. Okay, save action. And then it's going to go up to the end. I think I've mixed this up a little bit. It'd be good for me to show you how you can edit this. So our up needs to be at the end point, and our close needs to be above the start point. Which isn't a big deal, because we can go straight to structure, and we can go to move. So we'll take this guy all the way down to the bottom, and then gripper close, bring it all the way up. So now what it's going to do, it's going to close the gripper. Let's go down a little bit. There you go. So it's going to go to start point. Well, let's just see what happens. Open. So what it's going to do, it's going to go to our start point, close the gripper, go to position above start, go to above end, go to end point, and then the gripper will open. Well, let's see if the program reflects that. Alright. Put the part right there. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, there it goes again. Enable robot. So to fix that, though, here's a cool thing. To fix that from crashing, let me get the robot view out. Let's copy a position and put it so it goes through the whole circle again, right? So it goes up, over, down. So how we're going to do that, we're going to go to above end. We're going to copy it, paste it, and then we're going to go to above start, copy it, paste it. There. So now that should give us the circle that we want. Let's try it again. Robot. Oops. Okay. Put the block in here. Hit OK. And now I'm just going to run it. Grabs apart. Moves over. There you go.